Hello friends, welcome back to Hyderabad now. And in this video today, we're going to explore two of the most promising micro markets of 2026. So in the race for Hyderabad's next real estate gold mine, it's a classic showdown between two emerging giants, one closer to Telapur near exit 2 and one which is closer to the airport and which is closer to exit number 17, and both have the potential to skyrocket in 2026. So stick around because we are going to break down the key factors from pricing to future government projects to tell you exactly where your next big investments should land. So before getting started, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we bring in such videos almost every day. So let's start with Velimala. And this area is often marketed as extension of Telapur area, and its biggest advantage is the proximity. Whether it's the proximity to the IT corridor, whether it's proximity to Telapur and Kollur area, this is definitely one of the upcoming places with great connectivity. It sits right next to the high demand Telapur and Kollur stretch, giving it superb access by key radial roads, the financial district and Gachibowli. Also, this is part of the West Hyderabad growth story, and with upcoming malls as well as new roads, this is definitely one of the upcoming places in the entire West Hyderabad area. And with the price tag of below 7,000 rupees per square feet, which still has great connectivity to OR and IT hubs, this is definitely one of the places to explore. So Velimala is positioning itself as the high-end, low-density alternative to the ultra-dense areas like Telapur and Kollur. The Velimala story is less reliant on the news or the promised infrastructure and more on the overflow of demand from Hyderabad's established market like Kokapet and Osman Nagar areas. So it is an investment in today's convenience for tomorrow's appreciation. And Velimala is also pretty close to some of the great schools over here. You have Gaudium International School, you have Delhi Public School, you have Meru International School, and many other great international schools are within a range of 3 to 4 kilometers from this location. Now let's look at Budvel. Unlike Velimala, Budvel's future is an infrastructure story. It sits perfectly along the outer ring road and the planned radial roads, but the real game changer for Budvel area are the government-led projects. So Budvel is strategically located near the proposed new High Court and established Rajendranagar belt. This area is set to become a major government and administrative center. Also, you have a new eco park which is coming. So the stunning Kothwalguda eco park is already becoming a reality, creating a massive dedicated green space. Also, there is a proposed artificial beach which will be coming pretty close to Budvel area. And last but not the least is the Musi riverfront question. So if the Musi riverfront project comes to reality, Budvel is definitely going to be one of the most amazing places to live in West Hyderabad. Now let's go to the 2026 showdown based on 4 factors. Let's go to primary driver. So for Velimala, the primary driver is the proximity to financial district and the IT corridor. For Budvel, it is government and public infrastructure. Coming to the investor profile, for Velimala, this is going to be our end user IT professionals who would like to live closer to the Telapur area and closer to financial district. And for Budvel, this is going to mid to high-end pure investors, at least for the next 3 to 4 years time frame. And in terms of pricing, the Velimala price is a little bit less compared to Budvel, which has reached almost 8,000 rupees per square feet, and for Velimala it is close to 7,000 to 7,500 rupees per square feet. And finally, the major risk. For Velimala, the major risk is the over-reliance on private developed roads and infrastructure. And for Budvel, it is going to be for the next 3 to 4 years, you might not see many people living in Budvel area. And for most of your day-to-day things, you have to rely on Rajendranagar or the Kokapet market for this. So which micro market wins the crown for 2026? It depends entirely on your investment goals. If you are an end user and an IT professional, Velimala is a safer bet. It offers a quicker move-in timeline and great connectivity to IT corridor, definitely makes it one of your priorities for 2026. But if you are a pure investor targeting for maximum return, then Budvel offers the potential for higher explosive growth in next 4 to 5 years. But the wait time in Budvel could be pretty high, considering the fact that most of the projects will be completed here by 2030. So that's pretty much it. It's a quick comparison on Velimala, Budvel micro market in 2026. So I hope you like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.